Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a vintage Ronson Standard automatic petrol lighter, engine turned, very nice finish. Monogrammed with a capital A. Very fancy script there. I'm not sure. Kind of reminds me of the A of the Oakland A's or the Philadelphia Athletics back in the old days. This lighter is in terrific condition as far as the finish is concerned, and when I first got it, I thought, it might be practically mint, but there is a dent right here cutting into that monogrammed A. You can see it right there. So unfortunate, but doesn't take away from it still being a fantastic lighter. It was purchased in a lot with several other Ronsons, and this was the only one that was not enameled in one fashion or another. And it was also, as far as I can recall, the only one out of the entire lot of Ronsons that did not require me to take the mechanism apart from the top to clear the flint tube. The flint tube was good and clear in this one before I ever laid my hands on it. So, as usual, it does have some scuffs, scrapes, this dent right in the front, general wear, etc. Says Ronson, Newark, New Jersey, USA. Ronson Standard, trademark, and it's got the US patent, Canada, British patents. Fill screw, marked fill here. Good clean working mechanism. was still really good in it. Didn't require tugging it or anything. No snipping it off. Just gave it a good feeling. Put a flint in it. And we were good to go. Some sort of blemish to the finish there. You can see some scuffs, scrapes, scratches. Overall, a very good lighter in excellent working condition. If you like old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconista, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button and send that off in a text, email, social media, however it is that you communicate with people these days, and let them get a look at it themselves. Please comment below if you have any questions about this lighter that we are looking at in this video, or any other lighters or questions. Also, we would appreciate it if you would like us across all the social media platforms, Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com. That'll be on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course like us also on eBay. Until next time.